What's up, man?
Hey,
What's up?
you look like my friend David.
I am your friend, David. What's up, man?
Yo, you're right, man.
Are you on iTalki, like pretending that? Then,
Yeah.
bro, yeah, bro, I remember.
I'll teach you Spanish for free if you want, right now.
Sounds good. Let's go, man. Let me turn this music down.
All right,
Let's go.
Let's do it, man. You're my most enthusiastic student right now, so let's go.
I just had a quick question.
Definitely, let me know.
So I'm at the stage right now where I feel like I can speak pretty well, but
Okay.
I can't really understand a lot when people speak to me.
¿Cómo estás? How are you?
What is that, sorry?
No, that's how are you. Right there. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Yup, that's how are you. Man, you're the best student. All right, come on, let's keep going. We're on a hot streak. We can't miss this. That's a really, really common problem. Some really important things you should do is make sure that your pronunciation is really good. And what I mean by that is get the pronunciation of the alphabet down properly.
Right.
The most important things are the vowels. So things like A, E, I, O, U. It's A, E, I, O, U. And the reason I say that is because when you improve your own pronunciation and accent, it's easier to understand other people. Let's say you want to ask someone a question, and you're like, hey, excuse me, where's the blank, okay? To say,
Yeah.
excuse me, you say, perdón,
Perdón.
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 Mi acento,
Ajá,
estoy feliz con mi acento,
ajá.
pero si yo tenía una otra persona para hablar español conmigo,
Ajá.
yo creo que no puedo entender.
Sí,
Pero no sé por qué.
sí, ok, so, primero, como dije, tienes que mejorar tu pronunciación. Tu pronunciación está muy bueno, la verdad,
Sí,
pero siempre es bueno mejorar, seguir.
sí,
Entonces, el alfabeto, pronunciarlo bien, muy importante. También escuchar, muy, muy importante también.
sí, claro.
Yo te voy a enviar, voy a enviarte mi Spotify, voy a enviarte las canciones que me gustan. ¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde está?
Yeah, ¿dónde está? So, like, where is blank?
¿Qué tipo de música tienes?
La mayoría es música mexicana, pero también tengo de todos los países, de España, Colombia,
Ajá.
música, tengo bachata, corridos,
Okay.
banda, mariachi, todo eso.
Mariachi, okay.
Yeah. I live in California, and so I live near Mexico, and so I speak a more Mexican Spanish. So I'm gonna teach you how to say "What's up, dude" in Mexican slang, okay?
Let's go, dude.
Alright, it's ¿Qué onda, güey?
¿Qué onda, güey?
¿Qué onda, güey? Yeah. My man! Dude, you killed it. You got a 5 out of 5, 10 gold stars.
Thank you very much, dude.
Muchísimas gracias.
De nada.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Jalen. Later, Jalen. Take care, bro.
Take care, man.
Thomas, man, it's a freaking pleasure to meet you, man. Such a nice guy. I had a great time talking to you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Doing your dirty trick? Hi.
I wasn't doing any dirty tricks, if that's what you're wondering.
No.
Oh, this is Ray's at the dough. Get ready to make a baby. What's up, man? Where are you from?
California.
Dude, me too. Twins. Let's high five on that. Cool. All right, sick. You want to know how to say Coca-Cola in Spanish? It's pretty cool. Ready?
How did you see? Okay. Yeah, say Coca-Cola.
Yeah, so to say Coca-Cola in Spanish, just Coca-Cola. That's it, yeah.
Coca-Cola. It's not even much of a difference.
First thing you need to know is hola.
Hola.
That's hello. You knew that one?
Yes.
All right, how about this one? How about this one? ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Did you know that one?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this one? You won't know this one. Chido.
Hello?
Do you know that one? Chido.
No.
That means cool. That's cool. Bro. What's up, man?
Hello?
How's it going? Sorry, I didn't mean to say man. I just meant hello.
Oh, no, you're good.
What's up? How are you doing?
I'm good, you?
I'm just chilling, just hanging out here on Omegle. But Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
What's up, man?
Hey,
What's up?
you look like my friend David.
I am your friend, David. All right, really simple. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Like, hey, how are you?
Yep, I know that. That's like I learned that from Dora.
All right.
Bro, yo, yeah, instant sub. I don't care. I would have subbed anyways.
Thanks, bro. I
But
appreciate
yeah,
that.
That's where I recognize you from.
Really? Not your friend David?
So I took Spanish class last year,
Uh-huh.
2 times. And one of our main things that we would do is, like, my teacher would be like, okay, so let's look up some videos to teach us Spanish. I would literally go to your channel and sit there and watch through every single video.
Really?
Yeah. We started watching videos, and I'm like, okay, so let me look up Spanish videos. And I saw one with you, and I'm like, okay, this guy's interesting. This guy actually keeps me engaged.
Dude, heck yeah, man. Dude, thanks, bro. I appreciate that.
I'm
Well,
learning Colombian Spanish.
oh, cool. Okay. All right. I could teach you some Colombian slang if you'd like. You might already know it, but in Colombia, if you want to say, like, to your friend, or it's kind of like your bro, you say parcero.
Parcero.
Yeah, parcero. So that's parcero. And then you've got, you know, parcera for a girl. And then people will just say parce. Parce.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, they'll be like, hey, ¿cómo estás, parce? Well, yeah.
Yeah, because Spain is supposed to be, what, proper, I think?
Yeah, Spain is technically, you know, the most, like, proper Spanish. But an interesting story is when I was living in Spain for a little bit, when I got there, I was surprised because parking garages, instead of saying the normal word, estacionamiento, it would say parking, el parking. Yeah. But I had been to Mexico, and, you know, like you said, Spain's supposed to have more proper Spanish. But when I went to Mexico, you see, you know, estacionamiento everywhere as opposed to parking. Appreciate you helping me out with this video. I appreciate it. I really do.
Me too. Well, I appreciate meeting you, to be completely honest.
Well, yeah. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate that. I really do. It's my pleasure. I mean, I love meeting people who watch my videos. It's really cool. All right, James. Take care, man.
You too.
Bye. Thomas, bro.
Hey, Enter Sandman.
Okay, that's good.
I was too early in that last fucking.
Bro, that was so good, man. That was so good. Hey, man. Well, I'll definitely put you in a video. There's my channel's.